up YouTube, and we're back with well I'm back for now with another video. So today I would say it's my last full day in New York. I'm leaving tomorrow to go back to Atlanta. That's where I'm going to spend the rest of my little vacation. And I am trying my best to see if I can do a like get ready to go back to Atlanta video with me, get ready to leave video with me. I'm not sure if I'll be able to really accomplish that. But if you see the video, I accomplished somewhat of it. So even if I only get 2 minutes worth of footage, because it's kind of hard to video here, I will try to even upload that. But yeah, because I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna include I probably include it with the journey to airport and going back to Atlanta. Yeah, so I think we should be good. Anyways, I definitely wanted to do like a living alone in New York video with you, but it's kind of difficult to record here. Um, so because I'm here alone in the days, and I go out on the road by myself and those stuff, but you guys have seen videos and somewhat of that I would have wanted to do. Anyways, I'm gonna get the day started. I would love to wash my hair and have it cleaner before I leave. I don't know when it's gonna get cleaner again, so I'm gonna take good advantage of that. I'm gonna make breakfast. I'm gonna start packing because yeah, me have to fix up my luggage. Like things have to separate, things have to sort out. All right, guys. So let's get started. Okay, so things are kind of looking like a mess now, but I'm organizing my suitcases, my carry-on, and my check-in luggage. Yeah, I'm just organizing my stuff so if things will fit better and I know what I'm carrying versus whatever. So yeah, I think I may pick up tomorrow. Hey guys, so alright, this is the morning of me actually leaving. So I have a night flight, but we'll be leaving here at least by 3 o'clock, 3:30. So I am not going to waste any time. It's about a few minutes after 8. So I'm gonna get I'm gonna get breakfast to eat, and I am going to make some last minute arrangement to my suitcase because as you've seen, I would have started packing yesterday. So I'm gonna see what more I can carry, and yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so I should have been on my way to the airport by now, but as you can see, I am in supermarket. I am in BJ's. Yeah, I made a mistake. I don't know how I did this. I caught it right in time though. My flight is actually tomorrow. I don't know how I made that mistake, but yeah, me talk to them soon. Yeah, so I'm already packed. It's just that because of scheduling with my aunt, I'm gonna have to reach the airport tomorrow, probably like extremely early, like 12, 1 o'clock. I hope you guys can hear me because it's a little bit noisy in here. But that's fine once I have my laptop, and if I can check in early and just sit in the area. If it's like how like Atlanta waiting area is, I should have chargers and internet, so I should be okay. So I'm making a last minute decision to head to the fabric store and I guess get a seam repair. It's ironic because I returned it and now I'm probably gonna have to go back and buy it again because I thought I could get it cheaper, but I don't know. I need to remember that I have to pay taxes too as well. But yeah, I don't like it. Yeah, I may get the smaller one because I have seam rippers back in Jamaica, but I need one now, so I may get the smaller one or just buy the other big one. I don't know, but I'm just gonna do it quick. Hopefully all of this shouldn't take me more than 10 minutes or less, as in go to the store, walk into the store, get the thing and walk on back because my auntie told me 12, so and it's after 11:30. So let's see how quickly this trip can be. So it's 11:46. I made good timing. I'm like a minute 30 seconds away from where I'm staying, so I'm good. So I'm just gonna go upstairs, put my phone to charge, and I guess I'll see you when I'm on my way to the airport or at the airport. Yeah. I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you Alright, so I'm at the airport super early. My flight's at 6:45 and boarding time's at 6, and it's currently 2:29. It's 2:30. So I have 4 more hours, so a little under 4 hours. Yeah, a little under 4 hours before I board. So right here is kind of hot. I'm not sure. Alright, I didn't want to go too far because I don't have a boarding gate on my ticket. So it says I must see boarding. I must see what? Board or something like that. And the board safari only shows the 4 p.m. flight. The only reason why I'm here so early, if I never mentioned it before, is because I had a mix-up yesterday, and I don't know if that had to do with the time my auntie booked, but that was the time that she had some appointments for her children. So the time that I would have leave, which is 3:30, that's the time that she has the appointment. So I had no choice but to come here early, and I mean that's fine. But me not knowing my boarding gate, I'm trying to stay close to the board. So right here seems like an option. It's possible that where the 4 p.m. flight is, it could be, it could not be. I'm not sure if there's any more boards around that side, so I might play it safe. Because right here is where like the restaurants and those stuff are. Probably some around there, but there's like a Wendy's here, and I'm gonna have a Wendy's a little bit on. So yeah, right here's empty. Nobody's bothering me. I think there are some plugs here, so I think I may do some editing, or I may just watch some shows. Yeah, I may just watch some shows. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Alright guys, so see you when I'm boarding the plane, or at least find my boarding gate. So yeah, I hope you guys can hear me, because of course it's noisy. Ooh, look at my lips, don't be dry. It's not cute. Shuttle bus. I had a special bus to come to my gate, which is gate B30. Yeah, as you can see, I'm actually at 28. My gate, it was crowded. Seems like persons are boarding. The flight is being boarded right there. So I came back here. Here was very empty. So I'm gonna sit here, eat my food until until down there gets empty. I'll check back down there about what time is it? 6:09. I'll check back down here about yeah, I'll check back down there probably about 5:30. It should be empty. No, I'll check back down there by 5. It should be empty by then. That's a whole hour. So I'm just gonna eat right here and probably watch some YouTube until it's closer to that time. Yeah, this is one of my most hectic JFK trip. I never really have to do all of this, but then again, I've never used JFK to travel in-state from New York. Yeah. Okay, so it's a few minutes to 5. It's about 7 minutes to 5. So I'm gonna check if my gate's free now. So I just finished watching a video, so I'm just gonna check before I start watching anything else.
Shine when the lights
shortly. So I'm wondering if I should end off the vlog here because you guys already would have seen the house. So yeah, if I decide to pick up the camera, y'all would know. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the journey there. So I soon end it off. Yes.
On the bachelor, I know you got a pass, I got a pass, it's in the back of us. Average, I'ma make $1 million on the average. I'm riding with no brain, bitch, I'm out of it.
I don't know you're nice like